All right, I am back again after a long time. And at the very beginning, at first, I am very sorry for the delay, for keeping you waiting, because very honestly, I was waiting for something before I come back to you. What is that? That is the GPT-5, launch of GPT-5. उसके लिए मैं वेट कर रहा था. देखते हैं जीपीटी 5 से क्या क्या कुछ कर सकते हैं. So, many professionals today have one serious question in their mind. Will AI take away my job? And at the same time, many students also have another important question. What AI skill shall I learn so that I become job ready? So, नेट नेट घुमा फिरा के सब कुछ जॉब के ऊपर आ रहा है. मेरा जॉब रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा, या मेरे को जॉब मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. So in this video, I am going to show you how GPT-5 can be used not just a chatbot, but as a career survival and growth advisor. One more thing which I want to emphasize, the example, the exercise or the demo what I am going to show you is not restricted on that only. I am not saying that आपको सिर्फ यही करना है and all this. You can pick up your own use case, your own problem statement, your own ideas and experiment it. Okay. So, what this guide or growth advisor basically will do, it will ask questions, understand the user's background, suggest what to learn, create a 30 days action plan, recommend project ideas, and even help with the resume, LinkedIn, and interview preparation. The best part is that all can be done in few minutes. You may ask me, how is it going to help you? मेरे को क्या फायदा होगा? The answer is in two ways. Number one, as I have mentioned, that you can use this as a career guide for yourself as it is. But honestly, that is the first step. पहली पड़ाव है सीखने के लिए, देखने के लिए, समझने के लिए. लेकिन as again I have mentioned earlier, that ideally you should borrow the idea, take the idea and create few demos of your own, and even plan to showcase that as your project on LinkedIn, GitHub, resume, wherever you want. That will help you to create an evidence that you know how to use the power of GPT 5.5. In other words, you are not just AI literate, but AI skilled. But one disclaimer, at present, GPT-5 is available from Plus Plan, ChatGPT or OpenAI Plus Plan onward, and not available in the free plan. But good thing is Plus Plan is not too expensive. All right, so today's demo has two scenarios. The first scenario is for working professional who has either lost the job or to AI or afraid of losing job due to automation or AI invasion, as I kept on saying. The second scenario is for the student. Now, student can be, again, second scenario also have multiple subsection. Engineering student, BCom student, BBA, MBA, different stream students, and who want to know which AI skill they should learn based on their streams to ensure that they get right job after their education. Here again the important point is we are not going to ask ChatGPT or GPT 5.5 a simple question like which AI course shall I learn. Instead, we will make GPT-5 behave like an advisor. It will first ask question and then recommend personalized learning path. Now, one thing, again, I want to make it very clear. We are not making a chatbot. Remember, Because normally in chatbot, what happens? The FAQs are always there in the predefined way, right? So chatbot usually, I mean the basic entry level chatbot, I would say, it work only within that defined set of questions and answers. But here you will observe it is not like that. It has a huge difference, huge advantage. So to start with, कैसे शुरू करें? फर्स्ट, पहले हम GPT-5 को एक क्लियर डिफाइंड रोल देंगे. सो गिव GPT-5 a clear role. Very important. Then if you want powerful results from AI, you just don't ask random questions. Give a role, give it a context, give it rules, and define the output that you expect. To ensure this video does not run for hours, I have prepared the prompt, which I will do a copy paste. But don't worry, you don't have to pause the video, manually see the codes or see the prompts, and then put it or write it, type it for your practice. Not required. So in the description section, if you see, I have given you a link of my website where or from where you can download this guide, complete all the prompts and everything for your reference, and all you need to do before downloading, just fill a simple form. Now, whenever people or any company, anyone asks to fill a form, we get scared these days. हम लोगों को डर लगता है क्योंकि फॉर्म फिलअप करने के बाद इमीडिएटली वो कंपनी से कॉल आना चालू हो जाता है. सर, आपको आपने ये फॉर्म फिलअप किए थे, कब ये कर रहे हो, कब वो कर रहे हो, कब पैसा दे रहे हो, कब ये कर रहे हो, फलाना ढिमकाना, राइट? बट डोंट वरी, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट. वी विल नेवर कॉल यू. एट मैक्स बीच में एक दो बार आपको ईमेल या व्हाट्सएप मैसेज भेज सकते हैं, अगर अगर इफ वी फील that there is something very important update is there for you, only then. Otherwise we will never trouble you, never disturb you. So आप आराम से फॉर्म फिलअप करिए, बेझिझक फॉर्म फिलअप करिए, विदाउट एनी फियर, विदाउट एनी apprehension, and download the guide. It will be really, really helpful for you. Trust me. All right. So now give me a second. What I will do is I will start the screen sharing first and then paste or start with the first prompt. So first thing first, screen share. Under new project, I have created a new project. And this is the first prompt. See, we have given the role and all these things. You are an AI career survival and growth advisor. Your job is to help two type of users. I will quickly scroll it down. If you see, nowhere we are giving any FAQ or a details. Like we are saying that agar ye hoga, if this is the case, that is the case, fine. But we are not giving any direct answer. For example, we are saying tools to learn, 30 days action plan. We are not saying like tools to learn, what tools to learn, or 30 days action plan, what action plan. We are not defining it. All these things will be created. That's what I was saying, that it is not a typical entry level chatbot kind of thing. It's way better than that, way above that. What I did is, since I wanted GPT 5.5, so to make 5.5, I have made it thinking, because otherwise I will not get GPT 5.5. So I have placed send prompt. Let's see what happens. So sure, let's start like a AI career survival and growth advisor. Before I recommend anything, please choose your category. A, working professional, और बी स्टूडेंट्स. प्लीज रिप्लाई ए और बी. बोलिए क्या डालना है? चलिए ए डालते हैं, या नहीं बी डालते हैं. लेट्स पुट बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ईयर, what is the technical comfort level, and all these things it is asking. Suppose I said I am a BCom student in, say, fourth semester and want to get into finance role, and my technical skill is at beginner level. Time, I'm leaving it. AI for finance, AI plus Excel automation plus business data analysis. If you see the prompt, nowhere we have fed these things. Why this path fits for you. Tools to learn. 30 days action plan. Loads of things it has shown. Even resume, LinkedIn positioning statement. Interview talking point. Why do not to waste time right now? All this stuff. Let's say the second prompt. Of course, instead of giving second prompt, we can use those options, type A, type B, and so on and so forth. We can navigate through that also, but we can use the second prompt or we can give separate prompts as well. So, for example, in our case, now I'll be giving second prompt or another prompt which is for working professional case. Now see, this again response or the prompt is basically in line with those questionnaire. Because for students we have seen the questionnaire. Now here it's in line with the questionnaire. Recently lost my job as a manual tester. I have 5 years of experience in software testing. I am worried because many testing tasks are getting automated using AI. I want to get another job quickly. This is the goal. I can spend how much time do you or you can spend 8 hours per week. I know basic testing concepts, but I am not strong in coding. Please suggest what AI skill should I learn to become job ready again. So your best part is not learn AI from scratch like a developer. Your best part or path is AI augmented QA tester or AI assisted tech automation specialist. It's still working. If you see the scroll bar is going up. काफी सारा चीज बना रहे हैं. You already have 5 years of testing experience, etc., etc. I will quickly run through suitable AI learning path, manual testing, क्या चाहिए, लो कोड बिगिनर फ्रेंडली ऑटोमेशन कैसे करेंगे, एआई टेस्टिंग अवेयरनेस, व्हाई दिस पाथ फिट्स यू, tools to learn, quick job readiness to prioritize, what sequence should I learn, 30 days action plan, practice prompt, another prompt. It has given everything. It has given everything, loads of things. A complete guide. That's what I am saying. It's guide. And the best part is it is intuitive. It is intuitive and give based on the scenario, it is giving the response of its own. Finally, strongest positioning is tech like this. This is how you will position yourself after 1 month or after 30 days. Now the third prompt, career assets. Now convert this recommendation to a manual tester into practical career assets. So what I have typed, now convert this recommendation into a manual for a manual tester into a practical career assets. 30 days checklist, LinkedIn profile summary, resume headline, interview talking point, WhatsApp message, and simple project description, etc., etc. Again, many of them, those things are already created earlier previously, but it's worth seeing this here once again, how nicely it can do. क्या बढ़िया काम करते हैं भाई. ऑनेस्टली ये देखो पूरा चेकलिस्ट बना दिया. ऑल यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू टेक अ प्रिंट आउट और कॉपी इट, टेक अ प्रिंट आउट एंड पेस्ट इट इन योर वर्क डेस्क. एंड जब हो रहा है डे 1 टिक, डे 2 टिक, डे 3 टिक, लाइक दैट. Brilliant. Day wise breakup, man. Unbelievable. Now, while since we are talking on this, what we can do again with the help of AI, either using GPT 5.5 or Claude, very easily you can create a small similar kind of application, AI application, based on your profile, based on certain keywords, it can even search job posting which are available in various different job forum and give you a summary that okay, this place, this is the job posting is there, these are the key skills, this is the link. And for to apply this thing, this is what the JD, in the JD, these are the key skills have been mentioned. So your resume should have it. We will talk about those things later, some other day, some other time. Uh, for the student scenario, the fourth prompt I will skip because fourth prompt for become students I thought of giving you, which from the menu we have already seen, right? So फोर्थ प्रॉम्प्ट हम छोड़ रहे हैं बीकॉम स्टूडेंट के लिए क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है because we have seen that. Now let's ask GPT-5 to create a quick recommendation table for engineering, BCom, BBA, MBA, which are all different streams. So अब देखते हैं प्रॉम्प्ट क्या है और प्रॉम्प्ट को पेस्ट करके देखते हैं क्या होता क्या है. Let's see the output. See the prompt first and see the output. Here we go. Now create a quick AI recommendation table for engineering student, BCom, BBA, HR, da da da. And क्या करना पड़ेगा? For each suggest AI skills to learn, tools to start with, one project idea, career benefit, keep the recommendation practical and beginner friendly. चलो भाई टेबल बना दिया. मतलब बन रहा है. कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ. आई गेस अब तक कम नहीं, अभी भी चल रहा है. हाँ अभी कंप्लीट हुआ. देखो भाई बना दिया. The simplest rule is learn AI at your own domain first, not as a separate technical subject. Put the AI skills on top of that. It's a blended skill. It's not that आपको खुद का स्किल जो खुद का जो डोमेन है वो भूल जाना है, सिर्फ एआई में जाना है. So now see if you don't you think that it is extremely useful? For engineering student, the focus may be in the AI assisted coding, mini apps, chatbot, and AI agent, etc. While for become student, focus will be Excel, finance reporting, business analytics, and so on and so forth. Similarly, for MBA HR, it is different. MBA marketing, it will be different. So the message here is very clear. Everyone should learn AI, but everyone does not learn the same AI skill. If you remember in my video series, at the very beginning, I started with this. Identify the right tools, right skill required and learn only that. सब कुछ सीखने का जरूरत नहीं है भाई. वो उतना टाइम भी नहीं है लाइफ में किसी का, उतना पैसा भी नहीं है किसी के पास. Honestly, let me be very frank and honest. A 30 days learning tracker, a mini project outline, similar. Exactly similar. Exactly same way it is made. Objective क्या है, suggested companies क्या है, tools required, company overview, financial data collection, ratio analysis, Excel dashboard, जो जो चाहिए. पक्का एक प्रोजेक्ट अब बना लो इसके आइडिया से, लर्न करके. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट स्टार्ट पोस्टिंग, लेट पीपल नो, put those work, put the project work in a visible way so that people can see, make it visible. Coming back to the point, doing great work is important, but it is most important, more important that people know about your great work, what you are doing. In the next prompt, what we are going to ask is GPT 5.5 to compare both the scenarios and give us a broader career lesson for you to understand how or what it can do, what all things it can do. So it talks about the gives a big lesson. For professional, AI learning should protect and upgrade their existing careers, while for student, AI learning should prepare them for the job market before they enter it. And but both the group require three common things. First, practical AI tool usage. Second, the ability to apply the knowledge or the understanding. Okay, the AI in their own domain. And third, proof of the skill through project posts and portfolios or in case of case studies. The biggest mistake is learning random tools without connecting them to the career outcome is useless. Have you noticed something important here? Did we uploaded any FAQ? That's what I was telling at the beginning, right? We have not uploaded anything. Everything, the whole thing is being done impromptu. Everything happened impromptu. So it's very important. It's very important that we learn GPT 5.5. We use GPT 5.5. What you have learned so far, trust me, it's real gold. The powerhouse moment. Let us not stop at advice at this level. Practice it. Only don't do it only here. Don't stop only here. Okay? Practice it. Learn. And of course, the most important part, if you're a student, don't learn AI randomly. Learn AI skills that align with your stream and career goals. The future will not belong to only people who know AI, but it will belong to them who knows how to apply AI meaningfully in their work. So, if you found this demo useful, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, of course, to this channel. I'll be back soon talking about some other interesting area. Till then, take care. Have a good day, good evening, and or good night whenever you are watching this video. And happy AIing, as I always say. Take care. Thank you.